Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Meeta Jatia and I welcome you to my channel Downia Alley, where I make videos on makeup and skincare. So today I'm going to be talking about my top recommendations from skincare and haircare brands which are made and manufactured in India. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now the first product that I have for you is from this brand called Pilgrim. Now this brand is manufactured and marketed in India. They are cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan-friendly, no sulfates, and they have 20 such toxic chemicals which they have excluded from their formulations to ensure that you have happy, healthy skin and hair. Now the first product that I would like to recommend from this particular brand is their Argan Oil Hair Mask, which is infused with white lotus and camellia. Now guys, this is such an amazing product. It is beautiful. As you can see, it smells amazing, and it hydrates your hair. It makes it soft and shiny and silky. All in all, a very, very good product, and do support this particular brand, guys. You're definitely not going to regret it. It is totally worth your money. Now the second brand that I would like to give a shout out to is called Bubble Farm. Now the products from this particular brand are made with all natural ingredients. They have no harmful chemicals and they are handmade. The first product that I would like to recommend is their Orange Blossom Face Wash. I have already shown this in my morning skincare routine, guys. It is a very gentle face wash apt for oily and combination skin. It takes away all the dust, impurities and grime from your skin, leaving it squeaky clean. The other product that I would like to recommend from this particular brand is their Green Tea Under Eye Cream. Now this cream is a little thick, but it is totally worth it. It beautifully hydrates your under eyes and takes away all the dryness. So I totally recommend that you try these products, guys, from this particular brand. They are totally worth your money, and do give them your love and support. The next brand that I would like to talk about is called Bhoo Botanics. Now the products from this particular brand are 100% sulfate free and paraben free. And the product that I would like to recommend is their Matcha Green Tea and Bamboo Face Mask. I've been using this over a month now, guys, and I'm totally enjoying this particular product. It helps in reducing tan, it tightens up your pores, brightens your skin. All in all, a very nice product, totally worth your money, and I really recommend that you do try it. Now the next product that I'd like to talk about is called Magical Jar. Now the products made from this particular brand use 100% natural ingredients, and it's an organic skincare and haircare company. The first product that I would like to talk about is their Miracle Hair Pack. Now what I like to do is take 3 spoonsful of this product, mix it up in a bit of yogurt and apply it from roots to tip. I leave it on for about 20 minutes before hair wash and then wash my hair. Now this particular pack has Brahmi, Bringraj, Amla, hibiscus flowers, coffee and neem. And what it does, it removes frizz, prevents hair fall, gives hair nourishment, strengthens hair, promotes hair growth and softens your hair. The next product that I would like to talk about from this particular brand is their Kumkumadi Serum. And what a product this is, guys. I totally love this particular product. I apply this in the night, take 2 to 3 drops, apply it on my entire face, and when I get up in the morning, it gives me a beautiful glow. Totally recommend, and you must give it a shot. It's totally worth your money. The last and the final brand that I'd like to talk about is called Blissent. Now this particular brand again uses 100% natural ingredients in their products, and it's a clean skincare brand. The product that I would like to recommend is their lip scrub. So what I like to do is take a bit of this, rub it on my lips and leave it on for about 2 minutes and then just scrub it away. So it beautifully exfoliates your lips, leaving it soft and supple. With this, it's a wrap, guys. If you find the video helpful, do give me a like, share, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.